across to Ragini, who's now joining us from Mumbai, find out what could be the next step being taken as far as the RBI's move is concerned. Ragini, the RBI has been saying that liquidity is good, it's sufficient, and has come about with another cut in repo rate and reverse repo rate. Is the industry perhaps expecting more cuts, or are they now saying that yes, we will pass this on and that should be good enough to stimulate demand?
Well, Anisha, yesterday evening, RBI came out with the much-awaited rate cuts and brought down both the repo and the reverse repo rate by a good 50 basis points. Liquidity is clearly not an issue, and RBI therefore has not touched the CRR. Right now, we know that the repo rate has been brought down by a total of 400 basis points from the peak, and the reverse repo by 250 basis points from the peak. The concern, of course, and the RBI is also alongside sent a message saying that it expects now banks to pass on the benefit of the interest rates down to the consumers, which has not been happening to the extent that the regulator would have wished for it to happen. Of course, along with this announcement of the rate cuts, RBI has again sent out a message saying that the impact of the global slowdown has been much deeper and wider than was expected. We are starting to seeing some signs of the slowdown even on the Indian economy in terms of the slowing down of the services sector, the business confidence that has been dented, and the investment demand that has decelerated significantly. In terms of what impact this move will have, definitely PSU banks can be expected to bring down their rate of interest by 50 basis points. Private banks too have promised lower interest rates, but it will be a matter of time. We'll have to wait and watch when these interest rates get transmitted to the consumer. Really, in terms of RBI's move, it is important to see now how these interest rates will be passed on because we know that the demand in the economy is not picking up as much, and the RBI would be hoping that these moves will in effect help to stir up this demand. At the same time, having said that, market is still expecting further rate cuts. We've spoken to some guests on the show which also have reasserted the fact that they would be expecting RBI to monitor the situation closely and could, bring down some, the interest rates by some more points.
All right, Ragini, thanks so much.